Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Hollandse Garnalen, the tiny Dutch shrimp. This is how we say Hollandse Garnalen. Hollandse Garnalen. Normally we would not pronounce the last N, so it would be Hollandse Garnalen. There is a light emphasis on the second part of the second word. Hollandse Garnalen. Hollandse Garnalen. Hollandse Garnalen. Or without the N at the end, Hollandse Garnalen. You can find these tiny garnaaltjes, shrimp, in the Noordzee, the North Sea, around the Waddenzee in the north, and in the waters of southwest Holland. I hope this video was helpful. Please help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!